Morning, judges and everyone. My name is Liew and this is my lecturer, Professor Dr. Suliadi, Firdaus bin Sufahani. Today my topic will be analyzing and predicting workers' attrition and illustrate important patterns and the relationship between turnover factors by CRT and LR. So first of all, let me go through our introduction. So employee attrition is when individuals leave the organization, and it can disrupt operationals if the departure outpaces the hiring. So it is essential to distinguish the type of attrition, which is voluntary, involuntary, external, and also internal. So managing attrition is critical since employees are the major investment of a company. So the attrition rate is calculated by the departures employee divided by the average of workforce. So it helps to track the trends and address the causes. Our research leverage AI, EDA, and also CRT to predict attrition and identify the key factors, offering insight for proactive management and sustainable growth. So this is our research objective, which is identify the key factors that contribute to worker attrition. Thanks to build a predictive model that can predict the likelihood of employee attrition, and also last to evaluate the performance of CRT with LR by predictive metric. So this is the methodology of our research. Our dataset obtained from Kaggle consists of 1,400 employee records, the defined features generated by IBM data scientists, and facilitates in-depth analysis of factors contributing to employee attrition in organizational setting. So our data didn't consist of missing data, so it's a clean data and ready to use for EDA. And we set the dataset for 70% for training, 30% for sepsing. So this is the first method we use in our research, which is CRT. So CRT, unlike other decision tree, it uses Gini index for attribute selection. The Gini index measures the impurity or heterogeneity in a dataset. During the tree construction, CRT accesses multiple slits and choose the one minimizing Gini impurity in resulting child nodes. And this is the formula for calculating the Gini impurity. For logistic regression, it predicts binary outcome, for example, yes or no, based on input variables. So the model concept is use a linear combination of input variables with weights and an intervention, for example, like linear regression, and applies a sigma function to the linear combination, and the sigma squash the value between 0 and 1. So the outcome is a predicted probability of event happening. And this is the evaluation matrix we use for combining both models. So for the result and discussion, we can see that majority employees tend to stay than opt to leave. And for the age, younger employees exhibit a higher likelihood of leaving the company compared to the older workers. And for the average group, the fraction of people below the age who left the company is higher than the fraction of the people below the same age still employed. And this is the other factors such as business travel and also other features. And this is for the monthly income versus total working year, and we can see that it is a significant salary increase after 20 years, and majority workers are between $10,000 and also working 20 years, and it is happen with lower attrition when it is above $10,000 salary. So this is a key feature detected by CRT by using Gini score. Gini score reflects the features important in decision tree. So the higher Gini score indicates the more significant roles in decision making, and we can say that in our research, over time is the emerge as the most influential features followed by job role, money income, job level, yes, at company. So this is the model performance. We can see that LR perform better than CRT by having the higher accuracy training and higher accuracy testing. So this is the model performance for LR and CRT, which with the evaluation matrix of AUC, precision, F1 score, and also recall. And we can see that LR perform better than CRT in both evaluation metrics. And this is ROC curve. We can say that logistic regression outperforms CRT with higher ROC and AOC value, which is LR green curve suppress the CRT orange curve, indicating the superior classification performance. And we can see that this is our conclusion. LR perform out better than CRT with overall higher in accuracy, AOC, precision, F1 score, and also recall. So we can say that LR is more suitable for predicting employee attrition than CRT model. So, and we suggest that potential for combining strengths of both models for superior result, and we have successfully identified the attrition factors and built a predictive model. So this is a contribution for society and also entrepreneur. And this is our future planning. We intend to create a model that can be used at any time and is applicable for any type of company, and can directly provide the probability of employee leaving and the main reason for the resignation. So this will be the usefulness in solving problem, country, and global problem. This is the second example. Third example. So this is the intellectual property, industrial cooperator, publication of our research, and also awards and recognitions for our research. I think that's all for our presentation. Thank you for your time and appreciate your attention till now.